It's almost midnight. The lights are off. The city outside my window is quiet, but my mind isn't. It's still awake. Every thought, every worry, every what if, they're all talking at once. And all I want is silence, just for one night.
My name is Rima. I am 32 years old. As always, my brain thinks too much at night. Tonight, I'm lying in bed, eyes open, staring at the ceiling. The clock says 12:47 a.m. I should be asleep, but my thoughts won't let me. What if I made a mistake? What if tomorrow something goes wrong? What if I never get better? It's like my brain is a room full of noise, and I can't find the door. I turn to my side, close my eyes, take a deep breath, but my heart keeps racing. Even the sound of my own breathing feels too loud. I grab my phone and scroll. News, photos, messages. Nothing helps. The screen light hurts my eyes. I put it down. Silence again. Tears come slowly, not from sadness, but from tiredness. I whisper to myself, Rima, you're overthinking again. When the alarm rings, I feel like I didn't sleep at all. My head is heavy, my eyes dry. I sit with my coffee, hands shaking. I finally decide I can't do this alone. I call my therapist, Dr. Lena. Her voice is calm, soft. She says, Rima, what's going on? I sigh. I can't stop thinking, Lena. Every night my mind just won't stop. It feels like I'm drowning in my own thoughts. She stays quiet for a second. Then she says, Rima, your mind is tired, not broken. You don't need to stop thinking. You just need to think differently. I frown. How do I do that? She explains slowly, like talking to a friend. Your thoughts are guests. You don't have to fight them. Just notice them. Say, oh, there you are again, and let them pass. I stay silent. She continues, when your brain starts running, don't try to win. Pause. Name what you feel, not the story, just the feeling. Anxious, tired, afraid. When you name it, you take its power away. I write it down. Then she adds, and Rima, move your body. Go for a walk. Feel your feet touch the ground. Your body helps your mind slow down. Before hanging up, she says gently, you don't need to fix your thoughts tonight. You just need to be kind to yourself. The day feels long. My eyes are heavy, but I try to focus on my screen. My coworker, Hannah, looks at me and says, Rima, you okay? You look somewhere else. I smile weakly. Just a long night. She nods. Overthinking again? I laugh a little. Always. She hands me a small chocolate bar. Then take a break. Sweet things help. We laugh together. That small laugh feels like sunshine in a cloudy sky. That night, I decide to try what Dr. Lena said. I sit on the floor beside my bed. The lights are off, a candle flickers. I hold my notebook. I start writing. I feel scared. I feel tired. I feel small. Then I stop. I read the words. And something changes. They don't look so big anymore. For the first time, I don't argue with my thoughts. I just listen. I breathe in slowly, feeling the air move through my chest. I walk to the balcony. The air is cool. I take off my slippers and stand barefoot. The ground feels real, like it's holding me. For once, I don't want to escape my thoughts. I just want to be here, in this moment.
The nights are still quiet. My thoughts still come, but they don't control me anymore. Sometimes I still overthink, but now I say to myself, hey, it's just a thought. You can let it go. And I smile. I still have bad days, but I also have better mornings. And every small step, every slow breath feels like progress. I don't try to silence my mind now. I just let it speak. And then I whisper back, it's okay. We're safe. Maybe the problem was never my thoughts. Maybe it was how I treated them, like enemies. Now I see they're just part of me. Scared, loud, but human. I didn't stop thinking. I just learned to stop fighting my thoughts. And that changed everything.
Overthinking doesn't mean you're weak. It means you care too much. But caring also means learning when to rest your mind. Peace begins when you stop trying to control every thought and start trusting that you'll be okay, even if your brain is noisy.